So, good evening, good evening. We are back again, this time talking about Conor Gallagher to Atletico. Very strange behaviour going on down at Chelsea. Obviously, we've seen about 1 billion players coming in and out in the last 2 years, and they're trying to get rid of all of their proper Chelsea. This is not Chelsea. They're trying to get rid of their proper Chelsea. We've also seen proper weird behaviour from Atleti over the last 3 or 4 seasons. Obviously, Kieran Trippier went there, Doherty went there. They always come out of the window with some off-key signing that you just think, why'd they sign them? But this is going to trump them all, I can't lie. But before we get into it, make sure you are smashing the like button up. That'd be lovely, jobbly. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel as well. Come on. We're en route towards the 50k. We're well over the 30k now. So big up to everyone who's logged in. I will be doing the watch-alongs, well, the watch-along for the game next weekend, which is obviously the curtain raiser of the Premier League, the Community Shield, the glorified Soccer Aid, which Arsenal haven't sneaked their way in through the back door this time. So it is a Manx derby. I'm not sure if there's any games before that. If there is, I might have a little look at them. But obviously, it's full steam ahead. As soon as the season starts, watch along, La Liga, Premier League. And I want this channel on 50k by Christmas. So get subscribing, guys. But anyway, bless up to everyone who has. Get your comments in down below. But Conor Gallagher, 24, is on holiday after competing at Euro 2024 with England. Not quite sure why he's gone on holiday, by the way, because he barely played. He's yet set. Start again, Gunner. Get this guy a beer. Bosh. I have now morphed into a mutant. Right, we'll start again, shall we? So, Atletico Madrid are in talks with Chelsea to sign midfielder Conor Gallagher. The 24-year-old is on holiday after competing at the Euro 2024 with England in Germany. Gallagher is yet to agree personal terms with the Spanish club and may need convincing about the move. But Chelsea are believed to be open to selling Gallagher, who has entered the last year of his contract. That's crucial. We'll come back to that in a second. There have been exploratory talks this summer to renew his contract, but it is unclear whether the terms offered will be enough to keep Gallagher, who joined the club aged 6. So he's been there 18 years. That's wild. Spursy and West Ham have both showed interest in him last summer, but there's been little around the potential move to a Premier League club this year. New Chelsea manager Enzo Mascara was asked about Gallagher's future before the match against Club America in Atlanta, in the USA. He said the transfer window is open, so unfortunately something can happen, not only with Conor, but for all players. They always answer these questions with generic. Ask the questions properly. Okay, so are you holding talks? Is he having talks? Have you spoke to him since you got the job? Blah, blah, blah. Why don't they ask these questions? These are questions fans want to know. Anyway, the Blues have shown interest in Atletico Madrid striker Samu Omarodian, who, by the way, I can tell you right now, is rubbish, who is now focused on the Olympics with Spain. They obviously lost to Egypt today and would not welcome offers for him. Chelsea have had at least one bid turned down this summer for Samu Omarodian. Now, I'm being straight up. This guy is rubbish. If Chelsea sign him, that's pure banter. I can't lie. He's awful. I'm surprised they're turning bids down, though. Maybe they want him to stay in La Liga. I don't know. But either way, obviously, Fabrizio is putting out tweets left, right, and centre. He's in his element, the same as all the rest of the clickbait merchants. However, he tends to be less clickbait than most people. But his pinned comment, his pinned tweet, is from 15 hours ago. And he's only recently pinned that in the last few hours, because it wasn't his pinned tweet earlier. Exclusive. Atletico Madrid and Chelsea are now in direct talks for Conor Gallagher. Negotiations underway for a package worth 35 to 40 million euros. Add-ons included, requested by Chelsea. Gallagher is on top of Atleti's list, as revealed in May. It's now getting closer. I actually think this will happen. I actually think he will go there. And I think it's a weird one. But like I said, Diego Simeone moves in mysterious ways. That midfield is going to be horrific. That midfield, Rodrigo De Paul and Conor Gallagher running around like a dog chasing a tennis ball, kicking everyone. Nah. This is going to be wild. Yeah, honestly, it's going to be wild. I genuinely don't understand, guys. I prefer not to speak. It's mad. It's actually mad. Like they've got Koke still there. Obviously, Raquelme is a baller. Correa's still at the club. He played the other night. I'm just looking at their last 11. Lino, Thomas Lamar's still playing there. Witzel, he's now at centre back. He's moved further back. Asper Lorente, Kostic, Vermeeren. Obviously, they've only signed him. Let's have a look at their bench. I don't really know many on the bench, if I'm honest, if any. Javi Gallan, obviously they got him from Sociedad. He's rubbish as well, that guy. He kept Kieran Tierney out of the side all season at Sociedad pretty much, like, because their managers are rubbish, bruv. But anyway, yeah, they've got a few players that have gone. Obviously, they've got rid of Alvaro Morata. They failed to sign Dovbik. But for me, this is just a weird signing. This is a proper weird signing. I understand why Chelsea are looking to sell him. It's another part of the proper Chelsea that's gone. And we know that the owners, they don't want anything proper Chelsea at the football club. They're more interested in just going down this Project Epstein, rinse and repeat, get all the players in from South America and spin them in the profit, which it may or may not work. However, it ain't going to bear fruits in terms of trophies. Yeah, it's just basically a conveyor belt of young players, loaning them out in the hope that one of them comes good and you can spin a little 5-10 mil, maybe a 30 mil on one of the players or something. It's a bit weird, I can't lie. It's a bit of a mad one. Yeah, but Chelsea Football Club, how to bury a football club, hey? How to bury a football club inside 2 years. In fact, you know what, 3 years ago, was it 3 years ago? You were World Club Champions after winning a Champions League. So that was 3 Champions Leagues ago. It's not easy, is it? And look how dead your football club is now. If I was a Chelsea fan, I would be seething. I would be going nuts. Like, it's wild what's happened to that club. Yeah, like Mason Mount's gone. Obviously, 29's gone. He plays for my club. It's a bit peak. It's a bit peak. And now you're getting rid of Conor Gallagher. 35 million euros as well, with a year left on the contract. That's there or thereabouts what Fulham have just paid for Smith Rowe. It's about what Fulham have just paid for Smith Rowe, 34 million euros roughly. Yeah, I know it. Obviously, if we get the add-ons on top of that, it'll be more than that. With Chelsea, if they get the add-ons, and Atleti, by the way, which is unlikely that Atleti are going to get the add-ons if they carry on. Atleti have gone 3 years without a trophy. Are they going to beat Madrid to the title? Nope. Are they going to win the Champions League? Nope. Are they going to win the Supercopa de España? Probably not. Are they going to win the Copa del Rey? Probably not. So they're going to go 4 years. You never know. Maybe Conor Gallagher's the missing piece of the jigsaw. But for me, I just think he runs around a lot. He's got energy and all of this, but his passing ain't all that. Yeah, and you Chelsea fans watching more than I do. I don't watch every Chelsea game. Yes, I'll do Chelsea watch-alongs on here, but I don't watch every Chelsea game. You Chelsea fans know better than I will. But for me, every time I watch Conor Gallagher, I just think, what are you good at, bruv? Apart from arts and crafts in the back of your socks. Like, what is he actually good at? Because his tackling's a bit all over the gaff. His passing's not very good, but he's got an engine. He'll run around. Is that what we're doing now? Is that where it's at? He's got a bit of an engine on him. Like, so we'll run him. Oh, he can run around in midfield. He can be the dog in midfield. Well, Atleti have already got one of them. It's called Rodrigo De Paul. So it's going to be interesting to see, because Conor Gallagher, yeah, for me, if I was him, I would leave as well, by the way. Yeah, I'm just putting that out there. If I'm Conor Gallagher, I'm leaving. Yeah, that football club is finished. So if Atleti are in for him, I'd say, yeah, cool, go and live in Madrid, bruv. Like, it's better than Chelsea right now. Yeah, let's just be real with it. And you got some weather. Yeah, it's a bit mad. It's a bit mad. But Chelsea, some of the players they're signing are just embarrassing. I can't lie. Yeah, what a shit show of a football club. But Conor Gallagher, I think this will happen. I think this will be done by the end of the week as well, or it'd be right at the end stage. Maybe by the weekend, I think this will be right on the cusp of being done. But it's just a bit of a weird one. Like, why would Atleti want him? Chelsea, I understand it from their side. Yeah, him, I think he probably wants to stay in the Premier League. Obviously, that's where the glitz and the glamour is and all of that. However, mate, get out of the Premier League, mate. It might make you a better player. Yeah, he played. What I was saying, that he's going to a club with a manager so proper bastard. Yeah, proper shit house. I like Simeone. I'd love him at Arsenal, but yeah, he's going to have some nice weather out here. That's for sure. It was about 38 degrees today. Madrid's hotter as well at this time of the year, so it was probably about 40 odd. But yeah, listen, good luck to him. Let him do what he's got to do, innit? Yeah, get away from proper Chelsea, mate. It's not proper Chelsea anymore. Yeah, the club's gone down to Swanee. Listen, genuinely, real talk, I don't rate him one bit. I think he's shit. Yeah, I'm a poet, I fully know it. However, I do think if he goes out to Spain, yeah, I do think he'll get better. I genuinely think he'll become a better player. Yeah, because they're better players that he's playing with. Yeah, look at the trash he's played with over the last couple of years. Yeah, and like he's just running around kicking people, like drawing free kicks, fouling people, like scores the odd goal every now and again. Oh, he's one of us. He's a proper Chelsea. Yeah, he is a proper Chelsea, but Chelsea ain't Chelsea anymore. Ain't the club you started supporting, lads. Same with Arsenal. That's why I get angry with my club. Arsenal is not the club I started. This Arsenal is not the Arsenal I started supporting. This is a watered down, filtered wish version of Arsenal. Yeah, with too much PR. This is what's happening at Chelsea. PR, 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 PR. Yeah, like I said, I'd be seething. I'm seething about my own club, and we're up at the top part of the table. Yeah, but if I'm him, I'm getting out of there as quick as I can, whether that's Atleti or somewhere else. But you've got to level up. And right now, Atleti is a mile up the ladder to where Chelsea are. And I don't see Chelsea coming back anytime soon either. You're in that Conference League, playing against Wi-Fi codes, passwords and all that. Like, what we doing here? Yeah, like that's a bit of a weird one. Yeah. If I was that manager, I'd take it serious though, but I don't think he will. Yeah, because it's going to be more about trying to get top four, which you're not going to. Yeah, you're not going to win anything next season. Yeah, and it's sad to see because as much as people get on Chelsea's case, yeah, Roman Abramovich is the greatest owner of a football club I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. Oh, what? Yep, you, Ancelotti. Yep, you're sacked. Yeah, but Gaffer, I've still got half. We're only at half time, mate. Yeah. Well, you do the second half and fuck off. Ancelotti, look at the managers Chelsea had, and now you've got mascara. You're buried, lads. You're finished. It's done. It's done. And this video is done. So bless up to everyone who's locked in. Let me know your thoughts and feelings, and let me know how F Chelsea are. Do you think it's a good move for him? Are you sad to see him go? Is it decent money you're getting for him? Leave it all down in the comment section. I'll be back on here again tomorrow at some point. Probably be late afternoon. Got the cleaners coming at 10 a.m. So I need to go to bed. It's 10 past midnight as we speak. So I'm going to bed. And the cleaners are coming at 10. So I'm going out for about 4 or 5 hours. Going to meet some pals that have just landed about half an hour ago. Have a bit of brunch. And we'll be back active in the mid-afternoon, guys. But yeah, bless up to everyone locked in. Leave your thoughts down below. Sub, share, comment, all of that good stuff. And we're out of here. Laters.